Hello 4th class students, my name is Jagjot Kaur and I am your English teacher. Today we will do a chapter that is from your English 1, punctuation. Now what is punctuation? Punctuation means the marks used in writing that divide sentence and phrases. Punctuation we used in the sentences to make it exclamatory sentence or interrogative sentence or assertive sentence. Now there are some marks on your page number 115. Following are the main punctuation marks. First one is full stop, then comma, semicolon, colon, question mark, exclamation mark and apostrophe. You are familiar with these marks, but today we will learn when we will use these marks to make a sentence interrogative, question, interrogative, exclamatory and apostrophe. Let us read more about them. First of all, first punctuation mark is full stop. Full stop we use at the end of the all assertive and imperative sentence. When we use full stop, when we say something like Ram is a boy. My sentence is complete, so I will use at the last full stop that my sentence is complete. That much what I want to say. So you know that first when we start writing, first letter should be capital and at the end we write over there full stop. It means that my sentence what I want to tell you or say, that is this much. So next is comma. Comma is used to show a little pause, like on your book. Second is comma, like we purchase socks, little pause, comma, cap, comma, shoes. So there is a little pause, but my sentence is not completed. I am telling you something, then again something, then again something. That means I am using a little pause, so I will use comma over there. When my sentence will be complete, I will use full stop. Third is semicolon. Semicolon is used to separate clause of compound sentence. Like on your page number 116, there is a example. Semicolon represent a longer pause than comma. Here is an example. She was a virtuous, comma, kind-hearted lady. Then there is semicolon. Here I am taking a little pause more than comma. And we all respect her. So a sentence will be like this. She was a virtuous, kind-hearted lady. Then there is a semicolon. Then there I will take more pause than comma. And we all respect her. Then I will put full stop. This much I want to say in this sentence. Then there is colon. The colon represents a more complete pause than the semicolon. It is used. Or another thing, we use semicolon before quotation. Albestein says, then there is colon. What he said, that is in between the inverted commas. Science without religion is lame. Then comma, religion without science is blind. Then fifth punctuation mark is question mark. Question mark is, as we all know, when we put a question or we ask a question, then at last there will be question mark. And all the interrogative sentence that starts from WH or H. Like, what is your name? Then there will be question mark. I am asking you, what is your name? Then, how are you? How are you? Then again there will be question mark. I am asking you, how are you? Are you fine or not? Then exclamation mark is used at the end of the word that show your sorrow, wonder, happiness. Hooray, we win the match. When we write over there hooray, then there will be exclamation mark. So it is showing my happiness. Okay. Then at last there is apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show possession or to show relation, or sometimes it is used to tell about the missing letter. So there is example on your book. This is Ravi's dictionary. Dictionary belongs to Ravi's. Then I will put over here apostrophe s. Add 2 apostrophe s 7 and 6 for x. So there is also showing the plural number. Then C is do not. When we write do not, we can use also do not, then apostrophe, then T. Then comma is used to tell that there is some word missing, that is O. So these punctuation mark, I hope that are clear. Let us revise again. First one is full stop. Then when we use full stop, when my sentence is complete, then I will put over here full stop. Second is comma. Comma is used to show little pause. Then semicolon is used to separate the clause from the compound sentence. Then colon. Colon is used before the quotation sentences or quotation words. Question mark is used to ask questions. Then exclamation mark to show our feeling, sorrow or wonder. Then apostrophe is used to show possession. Thanks for watching.